In the realm of emergency medical services, air ambulances serve as a critical lifeline, transporting patients with speed and efficiency that ground transportation simply cannot match. Today, we're delving into the future of emergency transport, spotlighting the groundbreaking innovations transforming air ambulance technology. For decades, helicopters have been the go-to choice for air ambulances. Their ability to land in tight spaces and bypass traffic has saved countless lives. However, this traditional model is evolving. Electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, or eVTOLs, are poised to become game changers. These electric-powered aircraft offer quieter operations and reduced carbon emissions, making them not only more efficient, but also environmentally friendly. Several companies are already testing prototypes, and experts predict that eVTOLs will be operational within the next decade. Beyond improvements in aircraft, the integration of advanced medical technologies is enhancing the quality of care patients receive during transit. Portable CT scanners and advanced monitoring systems are now being adapted for use in air ambulances, allowing critical diagnostics to be conducted mid-air. This capability ensures that medical teams can make informed decisions before reaching the hospital, potentially saving valuable time. Moreover, advancements in communication technology are revolutionizing how air ambulance services operate. Advancements in communication technology are revolutionizing how air ambulance services operate. Satellite communication systems now ensure seamless connectivity, even in remote or challenging environments. This constant communication allows air ambulances to coordinate effectively with hospitals, ensuring that they're prepared for the patient's arrival and any immediate treatment required. Drones, once seen as mere recreational devices, are also beginning to play a supportive role in emergency medical services. Equipped with life-saving supplies, drones can be dispatched to deliver critical equipment or medication during emergencies, particularly in areas where air ambulances may face challenges. As we look to the future, artificial intelligence is set to enhance air ambulance operations further. Artificial intelligence is set to enhance air ambulance operations further. AI can optimize flight routes, predict maintenance needs, and even assist in the triage process. This technology ensures that air ambulances operate at peak efficiency while prioritizing patient safety. In conclusion, the future of emergency transport is bright, with innovations in air ambulance technology set to revolutionize the industry. These advancements promise not only to enhance the speed and efficiency of medical transport, but also to improve the quality of care patients receive, ultimately saving more lives in critical situations. As technology continues to advance, the sky is truly the limit for air ambulances.